Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Hello, welcome back to the Fully Me channel. I'm Giselle, and here I am encouraging you to honor who you are as a creative and talented woman, to love who you have become as an amazing mama rocking out motherhood, and then to know and believe that both parts of you are equally important and absolutely good. Our Fully 5 tip for this week is keep rocking the dates. Making intentional time for your husband or significant other. Why is this important, Giselle? Well, it's important because as a Fully Me mom, sometimes our husbands and our significant others can get a little lost in the shuffle. Real talk. Because you're like, okay, you are a grown person. You are self-sufficient. You're good, right? No, because you are a part of their lives and they are a part of your lives. And this relationship is supporting you as you grow and as you become more of who you are meant to be. And because they're in your life, they're very important to you as you are to them. Just as we give time to our family and our kids and have kid dates, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. As you are so focused on taking care of your kids and having kid dates with them and building that relationship, it's equally important that you have time with your significant other and that you bless and honor and pour into that relationship, i.e. be intentional about that relationship with your significant other. How can you do this? Well, you can do this by having weekly dates or bi-weekly dates and being very specific, not just time as a family. We're all going out. This is going to be a family thing. The kids are along, other people are along, but just you and your spouse or your significant other, just time where you all can talk, where you can get back to, before kids came into the picture, you can hear about their dreams, you can tell them about yours, or just hear about like, hey, what's going on? How are you? How are you? Not just with work and the world, but how are you? And just build that connection, because honestly, that impacts you. When you are fully girded and guarded and supported, and you feel like, all right, not only am I taking care of my home and being blessed by that, not only am I taking care of my kids and being blessed by their smiles and their hugs and their kisses, but I'm being blessed by my relationship with my significant other or my spouse, by receiving their love and knowing that they are rooting for me and knowing that I can root for them and be a cheerleader for them and be a support for them. So something that my husband and I do is we have a babysitter, and we have a weekly routine where we go out on a date. Sometimes it's a double date with friends, another couple. Most of the time it's just the two of us. And we do this, we have a specific day and we have a specific time frame out of the week, like 3 hours, one day a week, where we're able to just go away and spend time with one another outside of the home most of the time. And sometimes it's like ideas can be going to a museum, going to the movies, going out to eat, going to coffee, going for a walk and picking up some gelato on the way and just walking and talking, going window shopping, going shopping for real. It could be different things, maybe something that he wants to do and something that I want to do. And one of the greatest gifts outside of my relationship with God, outside of my children and my family who loves me, is my husband. He's a great guy, and I am truly, truly grateful for him. And that type of support builds me up so that when I have weekdays or moments where I'm a little unsure about myself, or that I can do it, or I need that little extra push, I have someone in my back corner who can do that for me. Whether it's through a note, whether it's through words, whether it's through prayer, whether it's like, you got this, whether it's walking alongside me, whatever it is. And that's truly, truly a gift. And even if it's not your significant other, it could be your friend. It could be your best friend. It could be your group of girlfriends. Make time for them. Let them know how much you appreciate them. And you better believe me when I say that it will come back to be a blessing to you. So keep the dates coming. That's our Fully 5 tip for this week. Keep the dates coming for your spouse, for your significant others, for your best friend, for your group of girlfriends. Keep the dates coming. Be intentional, because that relationship will support you and enable you to be the fully mom, the fully me mom that you desire to be. As always, I'm so happy to be with you. Be sure to subscribe and share this video so that you can support other moms that are like you, like me, like our friends, like our family. So until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.